Hello students, welcome to Elga online class. In the phonics session, we also covered 26 letters sounds. Okay. Today we learn letter sounds. This is recap. Okay. We recap the letter sounds from A to N. Okay. It's clear. Now see the first letter. What is the first letter? It's letter A. The name of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. Look at the slide. The name of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. What is the first one? A. Axe. Okay. A. Axe. Second one. A. Ankle. Okay. A. Angle. Third one. A. Ant. A. Ant. Fourth one. A. Arrow. A. Arrow. It's clear? The name of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. Okay. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? Yes, the letter B. Okay. See the flashcard. What is the letter? B. The name of the letter B. The sound of the letter B. The sound of the letter B. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. See the slide. The name of the letter B. The sound of the letter B. B. Beer. B. Beer. B. Back. B. Back. Third one. B. Bus. B. Bus. Fourth one. B. Bat. Okay. The name of the letter B. The sound of the letter B. B. Beer. B. Back. B. Bus. B. Bat. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, ma? Yes, the letter C. Okay. See the flashcard. What is the letter? The name of the letter C. The sound of the letter K. The sound of the letter K. Okay. Now see the slide. Name of the letter C. The sound of the letter K. K. Car. K. Car. K. Cake. K. Cake. K. Cap. K. Cap. K. Cat. Okay. The name of the letter C. The sound of the letter K. Okay. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, ma? Yes, the letter D. The next letter D. The name of the letter D. The sound of the letter D. The sound of the letter D. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. See the slide. The drum. The drum. Second one. The dice. The dice. Fourth one. The deer. The deer. Fourth one. The dog. The dog. Okay. The name of the letter D. The sound of the letter D. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, ma? The next letter E. Okay. The next letter E. The name of the letter E. The sound of the letter E. Sound of the letter E. Okay. Now let's see the slide. Okay. Name of the letter E. The sound of the letter E. Egg. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Third one. Elbow. Elbow. Okay. Fourth one. Engine. Engine. Okay. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. Okay. What is the next letter? Yes, the letter F. See the flashcard. What is the letter? The letter F. Okay. The name of the letter F. The sound of the letter. The sound of the letter. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. Look at the slide. Fan. First one. Fan. Second one. Fish. Fish. Third one. Frog. Frog. Fourth one. Fire. Fire. It's clear? Now go to the next letter sound. Okay. What is the next letter? Yes, letter G. See the flashcard? What is the letter? The letter G. The name of the letter G. The sound of the letter K. G. The sound of the letter G. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. Look at the slide. Okay. The name of the letter G. The sound of the letter G. First one G. Grapes. G. Grapes. Second one G. Goat. G. Goat. Third one G. Gift. G. Gift. Fourth one G. Girl. G. Girl. It's clear. Once again repeat it. The name of the letter G. The sound of the letter G. G. Grapes. G. Goat. G. Gift. G. Girl. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, ma? Yes, the letter H. See the flashcard. What is the letter? The letter H. The name of the letter H. The sound of the letter H. The sound of the letter H. Okay, it's clear. Now go to the slide. Okay, look at the slide, students. The name of the letter H, the sound of the letter H. First one, what is in the first one? This is horse. H, horse. H, horse. Next one, H, hand. H, hand. Third one, H, hat. Third one, H, hat. Last one, H, house. Okay, the name of the letter H, the sound of the letter H. First one, horse. Second one, hand. Third one, hat. Fourth one, house. It's clear. Now go to the next letter sound. What is the next letter, ma? Yes, the letter I. Next letter I. The name of the letter I. The sound of the letter E. The sound of the letter E. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. Look at the slide. E, India. E, India. Next one, E, ink. E, ink. E, insect. E, insect. E, injection. E, injection. The name of the letter I, the sound of the letter E. Okay. E, India. E, ink. Third one, insect. Fourth one, injection. It's clear? Students, now go to the next letter. What is the letter? The letter J. Name of the letter J, the sound of the letter J. Okay, now let's see some words. Look at the slide. J, jeep. J, jam. J, jacket. J, jug. Okay, the name of the letter J, the sound of the letter J. J, G, J, jam, J, jacket, J, jug. It's clear. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter, students? Yes, letter K. See the flashcard. The next letter K. The name of the letter K. The sound of the letter K. The sound of the letter K. Okay. Now let's see some words. Okay. Look at the slide. K, kite. Do you know kite? Pattam. Yes. Kite. Second one, king. Second one, king. Third one, key. K, key. Fourth one, K, kettle. K, kettle. K, kite. K, king. K, key. K, kettle. It's clear. Now what the next letter? Okay. What is the next letter? Yes, the letter L. The next letter L. The name of the letter L. The sound of the letter L. The sound of the letter L. Okay. Now let's see some words and look at the slide. L. Leaf. Leaf means what, man? Illai. L. Leaf. L. Lemon. L. Lemon. L. Lips. L. Lips. L. Leg. L. Leg. Okay. The name of the letter L. The sound of the letter L. Okay. L. Leaf. L. Lemon. L. Lips. L. Leg. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. Okay. What is the next letter? Yes, M. The name of the letter M. The sound of the letter M. The sound of the letter M. Okay. Now look at the slide. M. Man. M. Man. M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mat. M. Mat. M. Mouse. M. Mouse. Okay. M. Man. M. Mango. M. Mat. M. Mouse. It's clear? Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter? Yes, the letter N. The next letter N. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter in. The sound of the letter in. Okay. Now look at the slide. In nose. In nose. Second one in needle. In needle. Needle means oozy. Next one in net. In net. Last one in nest. Nest enama good. In nest. Okay. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter in. In nose. In needle. In net. In nest. Okay. Students, look at the next slide. Yes, this is your activity. Okay, you can take your worksheet book and do this. Okay, beginning sounds. Circle the beginning sounds you hear. Okay, circle the beginning sounds you hear. See the first picture, students. What do you see in the first picture? Yes, this is axe. Yes or no? Yes, this is axe. What is the beginning sound? A. So you have circle A, the letter A. You have circled the letter A. It's clear. Once again, repeat it. Circle the beginning sounds you hear. The first picture they given axe. Okay. The beginning sounds of the word axe. Okay. So you have circle A, the letter A. Second one, what is the second one? This is egg. Okay. Egg. What is the beginning sound? Yeah. So you have to circle the word letter E. Okay, you have to circle the letter E. It's clear. Next one. What do you see in the next picture? Third picture. Yes, this is mango. Okay. What is the beginning sound? Mango. So you have to circle the letter M. You have to circle the letter M. Okay, it's clear. Now go to the fourth one. What do you see in the fourth picture? Yes, this is dice. This is dice. What is the beginning sound? Dice. The. The. So you have to circle the letter D. Okay, you have circle the letter D. It's clear. Next one. What do you see in the fifth picture? Yes, this is bus. What is the beginning sound? The bus, the word, sorry, what is the beginning sound? B, bus. B, bus. B, bus. So you have to circle the letter B. Okay, B. Last one, the given grapes picture. Okay, G, grapes. The beginning sound G. Okay, how to circle the letter G. Okay, once again repeat it. The first one is you have circled the letter A. Second one, you have to circle the letter E. Third one, you have circled the letter M. Fourth one, you have circled D. And fifth one, you have circled the letter B. And last one, you have circled the letter G. It's clear? Now go to the next session. Okay? Students, in the last class, we learned two whole words. Yes or no? Yes. The first whole word is in. The first whole word is in. The second whole word is of. Okay. The second whole word is of. Okay. The first one is in. Okay. The second one is of. Okay. Now say the some example for the whole word in. Okay. First example. A mouse in my house. In my house. Where is the whole word? Find it. Yes, it comes after in. In. Okay. Now see the next example. Guess it. What is the next example? Yes. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. It's clear? Where is the whole word in, ma? It comes at the goes. In. Okay? The whole word session. We learn two whole word. The first whole word is in and second whole word is the second whole word is of. Okay? Now let's see some examples for the whole word in. The first example is a mouse in my house. A mouse in my house. The second example is the mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. It's clear? Now go to the slide. Okay. The first whole word is in. The first whole word is in. See the next slide, students. Yes, this is example. A mouse in my house. Okay, a mouse in my house. Yeah, mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. In my. M-Y. My house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Okay, a mouse in my house. They boxed the whole word in. So look at the slide carefully. Okay. Now go to the next example. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, goes, G-O-E-S, goes, in, the T-H-E, the kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. It's clear? This is the second example. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Okay. Now go to the next whole word. Students, the next whole word is of. Of. Now let's see some examples. Okay. Now let's see some examples. The first example is the color of my hair. The color of my hair is black. Where is the whole word? Yes, Moya. Okay. Now see the second example. Okay. The teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. All of us. The teacher helps all of us. Okay. Where is the whole word? Yes. It's come after all. Where? Of. Okay. The second whole word is of. Okay. Now let's see some examples for the whole word of. The first example is the color of my hair is black. The color of my hair is black. The second one, the teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. It's clear? Now go to the slide. Look at the slide, students. The second whole word is of. Okay, now let's see some examples. The teacher helps all of us. The the teacher, Teacher, teacher helps, 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 all, of, us. The teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. It's clear? Now go to the next example. The color of my hair is black. The color of my hair is black. The color, the the color, COLOUR, color of of my hair, hair is black, black. The hair of my hair is black. Okay, now go to the next slide. Find the word. This is your activity, students. Okay, see the slide carefully. They given many words, but you have circled the whole word only. It's clear? They given many words, but you have circled the whole word only. Students, look at the slide. Now I read the words. You can follow me. Okay. The first word is cake. The first word is cake. CAKE, cake. Second word MAN, man. MAN, man. Third word VAN, van. VAN, van. Fourth word is STAR, star. STAR, star. Fifth word in. Yes, this is one of the whole word. So you have circled the whole word in. Next one, quill. QUILL, quill. Okay, quill. QUILL. Okay, they given many words, but you have circled the whole word only. Okay, the first word is cake, the second word is man, third word is van, fourth word is star, fifth word is in, sixth word is quill. Okay, now go to the next slide. Yes, the first word is cab. CAP, cab. Second word is OF. This is a whole word. Yes, we learnt in the whole word session. Yes or no? Yes. Sun, SUN, sun. MAN, man. Cat. CAKE, cake. Okay. The first word is cab. The second word is OF. You have circled the whole word. Okay. OF. The next word is sun. Next, fourth word is man. Fifth word is cat. Sixth word is cake. It's clear? Yes, this is your activity, students. Whole words, color the words you hear. Color the words you hear. In the whole word session, we learnt two whole words. Yes, the one is in, the second one is off. So, you only color the two whole words. Okay? In and off. You have colored the two words. The first one is in and second one is off. It's clear? Students, next we go to the next session. Okay? Reading and listening comprehension. In the last class we read the story The Happy Mouse. Today class we look at the story The Happy Mouse. Okay, in brief. Okay, the title of the story The Happy Mouse. The title of the story is Happy Mouse. Author, who's the author, students? Yes, the author name is Sakshi Bhatia. Sakshi Bhatia. Sakshi Bhatia. And illustrated Manisha. Illustrated Manisha. The title of the story is The Happy Mouse. The author name is Shakshi Bhatia, illustrated Meenakshi Shah. Okay, now go to read the story. Okay, see the slide, students. The title of the story is The Happy Mouse. The title of the story is Happy Mouse, The Happy Mouse. What is the meaning happy? மகிழ்ச்சி. Okay, happy means happy of feel பண்றது. நான் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன். Okay. Mouse. What is mouse? Do you know? சுண்டெலி. It is very very naughty. Okay. The mouse is very very naughty. It's damage many things. Okay. It's a. Have you seen mouse in your house? Yes, it is very very naughty. It is damaged our things. Especially it goes in the kitchen and eat many things. I think. Okay. I think it's many, especially rice and tomato, onion and etc. வீட்ல கிச்சன்ல பார்த்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அந்த எலி கேரட் எடுத்துட்டு போய்டும் உருளைக்கிழங்கு எடுத்துட்டு போய்டும் so and it is very very naughty. The story about the happy mouse. Okay, now go to the story. Okay, there I read the first sentence. The mouse is in my house. The T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse is I-S, is in, I-N, in, my, M-Y, my, H-O-U-S-E, house. The mouse is in my house. Mouse in வீட்ல என்ன இருக்கு ஒரு mouse இருக்கு. The mouse is in my house. The mouse in my house. எங்க வீட்ல the mouse இருக்கு. Okay, now go to the next slide. The mouse goes in the kitchen. What is the meaning kitchen? Yes, we prepare all type of food in the kitchen, like put on the fire and switch off gas stove. Okay, we do in the and we prepare all type of food in the kitchen. Okay, the mouse goes in the kitchen. The T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse goes, G-O-E-S, goes in, I-N, in, the T-H-E, the kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Mouse எங்க போகுது கிச்சனுக்குள்ள போகுது. Look at the picture. It's they given briefly. They given total நல்லா clear-ஆ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. The mouse goes in the kitchen. They given clear picture. The next one. The mouse plays in the garden. The mouse plays in the garden. The T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, plays, P-L-A-Y-S. Plays means what? விளையாடுறது. The mouse plays in the garden. The mouse எங்க விளையாடும்? Garden. The mouse plays in the garden. It's maximum outside our house in the garden, tall trees, flowers and green grass. It's right? Yes. Garden வீட்டுக்கு வெளிய தான இருக்கும் அங்க என்ன இருக்கும் மரம் பூஞ்செடி எல்லாமே இருக்கும் இல்லையா and it is nice place to sitting in the evening. Yes or no? Yes. Evening டைம்ல போய் gardenல உட்கார்ந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? It's nice moment. Okay? The mouse plays in the garden. The mouse எங்க விளையாடும்? Gardenல விளையாடும். The mouse plays in the garden. Okay? Now go to the next one. The mouse jumps on the bed. The mouse jumps on the bed. The T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, jumps, J-U-M-P-S, jumps, on, O-N, on. The T-H-E, the bed, B-E-D, bed. Suppose we feel tired, we take rest in the bed and sleep on the bed. But the mouse jumps on the bed. The bedல என்ன பண்ணுதா jump பண்ணி விளையாடுறான் the mouse. Okay, the mouse jumps on the bed. It's clear? Now go to the next picture. See the next picture, students. The mouse dances in the room. What is the meaning dances? Dance. The mouse dances in the room. Okay, the T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, Mouse. Dances. D-A-N-C-E-S. Dances in. Okay, this is a whole word, students. Okay, in. I-N, in. The. T-H-E, the. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. The mouse dances in the room. The mouse என்ன பண்ணுமா roomல போய் dance பண்ணும். It's clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. The mouse sees the cat. The mouse sees the cat. Students, look at the picture. The mouse, the T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Sees, S-E-E-S, sees the cat. The T-H-E, the cat, C-A-T, cat. The mouse sees the cat. What happened next? Suddenly the mouse ran away. Yes or no? Yes. எலி பூனை பஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணோம்? எலி ஓடி போயிடும். Yes. The action also happened in this story. The mouse sees the cat. Okay. Now the next point, what happened next? The mouse runs away. The mouse sees the cat. Suddenly it runs away. The mouse runs away. The T-H-E, the mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Runs means what? Okay. Runs. R-U-N-S. Runs away. A-W-A-Y. The mouse runs away. The mouse suddenly sees the cat. The mouse suddenly runs away. It's clear? Okay. Now go to the next one. Students, now go to the vocabulary words. Students, last class we learned 5 vocabulary words. Okay, in this class we recap the 5 vocabulary words. What is the first one? Kitchen. What is the first vocabulary word? Kitchen. Correct? Yes, kitchen. The second word is garden. The second word is garden. Third one is, what's the third one, ma? Bed. Fourth one, room. Yes, fourth one, room. Fifth one, fourth one, room. Fifth one, house. Fifth one, house. Okay. Today we already learned the vocabulary words, but today class we recap the 5 vocabulary words. The first one is kitchen, second one is garden, third one is bed, fourth one is room, fifth one is house. Okay, now go to the slide. Students, look at the slide. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is kitchen. Where we prepare our food and put on the fire and switch off the gas stove. Okay, we prepare where we prepare all type of food in the kitchen. Okay, kitchen. Okay, kitchen. Now go to the next one. Garden. Okay, see the picture. This is garden. Garden, it has many trees, flowers and tall grass. Okay, and the mouse plays in the garden. It's nice place to play. Students, it's nice place to play. விளையாடுறதுக்கு இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஆப்டான place. Garden. Second one is garden. Okay, now go to the third one. Bed. We take rest on the bed and sleep on the bed. Okay, bed. B-E-D, bed. We take rest on the bed. Bed. Now go to the next one. Room. R-O-O-M, room. It is small place and it is inside our house. It is inside our house and closed with 4 walls. Closed with 4 walls. Inside the room we have many things. Yes or no? Yes, light switch, fan, cupboard, sofa and etc. Okay, and it has roofs, floors and 4 walls. Closed with 4 walls. Room. It's clear? Now go to the next one. Okay, in this slide we have all vocabulary words. Okay, see the slide, students. The first one, house. Okay, the first one, house. The second vocabulary word is kitchen, and third vocabulary word is garden, and fourth one is bed, fifth one is room. Okay, first one, house. Second one, kitchen. Third one, garden. Fourth one, bed. Fifth one, room. It's clear? Yes. Students, take your worksheet book. This is your activity. Okay? Vocabulary words. Color the pictures for the word you hear. Color the picture for the word you hear. We learnt 5 vocabulary words. Yes or no? Yes. The first one is house, second one is kitchen, third one is garden, fourth one is bed, fifth one is room. Okay. Color the picture for the word you hear. Now I say two whole word. You have color the picture. It's clear. Now I say two vocabulary words, students. So listen carefully. And next you have color the picture. The first one is garden. The first one is garden and second one is bed. The second one is bed. It's clear. Now what the next one? Yes, this is your activity. Draw and label on the topic things I do of my house. Okay. Draw and label means what? Write the names. Yes. Draw and label on the topic things I do of my house. It's clear? Students, in this class, we recap the beginning sounds letter A to N and we learnt two vocabulary words. The vocabulary words are first one is in and second one is of, and let's see some examples also. And next, we read the story, The Happy Mouse. The author name is Shakshi Badia and illustrated Menik Shah, and we learnt 5 vocabulary words also. The first one is house, the second one is kitchen, third one is garden, fourth one is room, last one is bed. Okay, and we have activity also. I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you, students. Okay, thank you, students. Take care.